Hi, this is Albert Godey. This is my submission for form follows function screencast. Starting with the image, which I pulled from morguefile.com. We have an image of a hammer, and I think it's pretty self-explanatory in the regard of forms follows function, as the form of the hammer is directly related to its function. You have the handle that the user holds to swing, to gain momentum, to impact an object and push it. And that's what the steel head of the hammers does. It's steel so as to not take damage while forcing the other object forward. Then moving from the image to the website, I chose dictionary.com. And while there are several things going on here, dictionary.com knows what the majority of people are going to be there for. And so as the website loads, the cursor is automatically placed at the search bar for the definition of a word, and the user simply needs to type it in. Beyond that, though, should the user just be interested in expanding the vocabulary, we have a word of a day, word games, trending words apparently, and then also a tag to discover more by scrolling down. The function here, of course, is to just gain the definition of the word, and all it asks in return of the user is to simply type it and press enter. However, it is willing to offer additional function should the user decide to expand beyond that. And that is my content for form follows function. Thank you.